Well, I was not in any mood of recording a video today. କାହିଁକି ନା କାଲି ହିଁ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ପୋଷ୍ଟିଂ କରିଛି. Yesterday only I did a daily vlog posting, but and also that video was I put it in a late format. I mean, it's obviously 2 days old video. It was shot 2 days back, but and that is why I had thought the next video that I would post would be somewhere around Thursday or Friday. But kid me not, it's very hard. I can't even say heartbreaking, or I can't even say awestruck. I need a more stronger word than this. कौन चलची यार ओडिशा रे? This is just so unacceptable. I mean, this is very basic, right? कि जदि को भी foreign student आसुचंती to India, there has to be an extra care, extra set of committee, extra set of what do I say, instead of what is extra, there should be a caution taken if there is any kind of complaint or any kind of highlighting thing that has been shared by any of the existing students who could be from India, from the existing country, or could be from outside, right? The problem is, why I'm feeling so bad is, this girl, she must have come down to India with a lot of hopes, and the thing that is bothering me is, I definitely don't know this girl personally, right? ना ही उस लड़के को मैं जानती हूँ जिस who is his ex, जिसके साथ उसका कॉल रिकॉर्डिंग लीक हुआ है. I got a chance to hear it, but it is so not cool. It is so not cool. I mean, I cannot imagine a guy speaking to a girl in this language. I mean, this is doesn't matter. This person is from India, Australia, any place in this entire world. You cannot talk to a girl like that. First thing. And इससे भी ज़्यादा अलार्मिंग क्या था कि जब मैंने वीडियो देखा वो मैम का, who is bragging about our GDP, you're comparing what? And apart from all, bro, why is that a topic? Why are we deviating from the main topic? जो लड़की के साथ हुआ है वो गलत है. Nothing in this world can justify that. And also, so I am coming up with this video after doing my part of research. Not obviously, I didn't get time to do the entire research because मैं सोच रही थी I'll take good 2 days and make sure I come up with whatever video is backed by some good research. But नहीं हो पाया यार. मैं तो 24 hours में ही my head is gone upside down. I'm just speechless about whatever is going on. First thing, this is not the first suicide case in kids. There has been multiple cases and none of them were highlighted. For me, like I am myself from Odisha, and I stay in Cuttack, which is very close to Bhubaneswar. I have spent good amount of time in and around kids. I have been to this kids college. I have friends who have studied there. I have opinions from them, but everything boils down to how and why. Just a minute, guys. I'm getting so many messages right now, and the notification sound. And this entire thing that has happened is not something that has happened overnight. Apparently, this girl, she had given complaints earlier as well to the higher faculties about this guy. It was not addressed. Not just this girl, there have been other girls as well who have given written complaints about this, against this guy. No actions taken. For what? For what? फिर से वही है क्या कि कोई बड़े बाप का बेटा है and that is why? No, you cannot. Nothing in this world can compete with a person's life. You cannot give back that life to them. Neither with your money, neither with your status. So, I mean, I am from Ravenshaw University. I graduated from Ravenshaw University. There have been suicide cases. I would not say it has never happened, but never with a foreign student. First thing. Definitely a case हुआ था अफगानिस्तान वाला. There was a lot of heated moment, a lot of background things. I mean, if you go back to history, there will be a lot of things that comes in. But when I joined in my batch, obviously I had my seniors who one of them, she was from Bangladesh, one of them, he was from Nigeria, there were two students who were from Sri Lanka. I don't know what had happened prior to I joined the college, but I can talk about what happened when I was there. Anytime one complaint, I'm not talking about multiple follow-ups and all, one complaint, and the complaint could be as small as food issues, and the issue is resolved there and then. Doesn't even have a tad time of 24 hours to get it fixed. That is how we treat people who are coming to our country on the basis of scholarship, on the basis of merit, to learn and study. That's the entire agenda. The right now, the entire agenda of this particular matter has turned to be political. For what? I mean, brains, guys, brains. And also, I got a chance to talk to a few of my friends who study in KIT, who are ex-students of KITS. I mean, they are very casual about this कि हाँ ये पहले भी हुआ है and little difficult to get justice for. Sorry. पहली बात तो भाई तुम लोग यूथ हो, तुम लोग ये चीज बोल भी कैसे सकते हो कि लिटिल डिफिकल्ट. इफ इट इज डिफिकल्ट, गो डू समथिंग अबाउट इट. एंड आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट पीपल हु आर इनटू लॉ. दिस इज literally very disheartening. Whenever I speak to people who don't know about Odisha, the things that I brag about is our culture, our idea of making sure that whoever is coming to our place, our state, is treated well. मैं तो यहाँ पे इंडिया के बारे में बात ही नहीं कर रही हूँ. I am more concerned about Odisha here. इसको एक तो पॉलिटिकल एजेंडा बना के रख दिए हैं, जो जिस चीज़ के लिए चल ठीक है यार हम फेमस नहीं है, बट मुझे इतना पता कि अगर कोई बंदा उड़ीसा आया है, दीज आर द थिंग्स दे विल डेफिनेटली हाईलाइट अबाउट द फूड, अबाउट द कॉर्डियल बिहेवियर, अबाउट not thinking that this person is from Odisha, this person is from UP, this person is from Bihar, this person is from so and so country, state. No, we don't care. If you are in Odisha, you are in Odisha. And I really can't take this shit happening there. And I really hope and appeal for the justice to this girl. And I got a chance to see this very small clip of Prakriti's father talking about what his expectation is. When you see that father, I'm sure he's full of anger, sorrow, sadness, but you will not see like he looks like a person who is holding up to so much of patience. And the only thing, and you look at his face, man, you look at his face, the only thing that is requesting of all that has happened is justice for her little girl. who wanted to come, who had come down to Odisha to study in this kids college. Come on, yeah. This is, instead of making this a political agenda, I think it should be more focused to the investigation of this suicide. It should be more confined towards the guy who was spilling this filthy language, filthy words to her. What led to what happened, if there is anything that was concerning, alarming, and was informed to the committee, to the higher faculty, and was not taken care of, that should be more important. I mean, that is what is important at this point of time, not the political agenda. Also, there was a part wherein these guys were asked to leave the campus, right? Now all of a sudden these guys are asked to resume back. Colleges all open, just because it became a viral issue, just because it's all over the internet. How soon can you switch? इतना जल्दी कैसे हो जाता है माथा चेंज कि अभी सबको हटा देना है, अभी सबको वापस बुला देना है? कुछ तो सोच के डिसीजन ले रहे होगे ना. आई एम श्योर if this decision of people have to evacuate from that particular place has been taken by a higher management. एंड क्यों ही करना है भाई? ये लोग प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे, चलो मानती हूँ प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे, गलत क्या कर रहे थे? तोड़फोड़ थोड़ी मचा रहे थे, एक दूसरे को पीट थोड़ी रहे थे, गन ला के मार थोड़ी दे रहे थे. दैट वॉज अ वेरी पीसफुल प्रोटेस्ट दैट दे वर डूइंग. इट वॉज अ कैंडल मार्च. उस पर इतना भड़कना क्यों है? इतना ईगो कैसे हर्ट हो सकता है एक हायर मैनेजमेंट टीचर का? अगर तुम्हें इतना कूल नहीं है तो भाई यू आर नॉट अ डिजर्विंग पर्सन टू सिट इन दैट पोजिशन. यू शुड नो दैट. आप नहीं हो डिजर्विंग. इफ यू आर लूजिंग योर कूल because of these kids who have come to your institute to learn things under your guidance. भाई टीचर सिर्फ डिग्री से नहीं मिलना चाहिए. आपको अगर डिग्री मिला है एंड आप टीचर बने हो ना, कोई हायर फैकल्टी बने हो जो ऐसे डिसीजन मेकिंग करता है, मुझे लगता है तुमसे अच्छा कोई अनपढ़ गवार ही है जो एटलीस्ट लॉजिकल थिंकिंग लगाएगा, शाणापंती नहीं करेगा इधर. दिस इंसिडेंट एंड आई होप, यार होप क्या ही करें, मतलब ऐसे मल्टीपल इंसिडेंट्स हो रहे हैं. And then the funny part about this entire incident that's happening, the entire situation in India is, ये जो पूरा चीज़ हुआ है ये अभी तक कोई ना न्यूज़ चैनल पे हाईलाइट हुआ है, मतलब मेन स्ट्रीम न्यूज़ चैनल पे हाईलाइट नहीं हुआ है. I have not seen any video as such as of now that has shown any kind of progress on that guy, है ना, कि क्या हुआ है. उसको बेल, आई थिंक उसको बेल मिल चुका है, अरेस्ट होके उसको बेल भी मिल चुका है, व्हाट आई हैड लास्ट सीन एज पर दैट. बट सी, लुक एट द सेम वन, इंडियाज गॉट लेटेंट का केस हो गया. भाई एक तो दैट इतने मुद्दों में से एक इंसान का जान चला गया है, तब भी इतना टाइम लग रहा है आपको हर चीज़ को सिस्टम फॉलो करके लेने के लिए. अभी तक एक FIR भी नहीं हुआ है, राइट? बट यहाँ पे इंडियाज गॉट लेटेंट पे आप अगर चेक करोगे ना, किसी का कोई इंसान का जान नहीं गया है. इट्स जस्ट वर्बल राइट ऑफ स्पीच जो दिया गया है उसको फॉलो करके कुछ इसने बोला, नॉट सपोर्टिंग, मेरे हिसाब से भी गलत है. उसने कुछ बोला, मेरे को बस ये चीज़ से प्रॉब्लम है, वो जो गलती है ना, वो जो गलती को जिस लेवल पे लेके गया, मतलब लेके गए हैं सब, एंड द वे द एक्शन हैज बीन टेकन, द स्पीड, commendable. But here on the other side, where a person's life is gone, a kid's life is no more, you cannot bring her back, there the speed is not even touching S. How commendable is this? ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ମୁଁ ये वीडियो इंग्लिश रे बनाऊँची हिंदी रे बनाऊँची ओडिया आई थिंक ମୁଁ ସବୁ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ୍ ମିକ୍ସ କରିକି बनाऊँची बिकज ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ମୋର ये वीडियो किछिटा मो कलीग्स देखिबे किछिटा माने बहुत फॉलोअर्स बहुत सारा सब्सक्राइबर्स नांदे तो समस्त देखि पारंती न भी देखि पारंती बट बस मोर गोटे रिक्वेस्ट कि by any chance if you have any contacts where you can help or put a word forward to get justice for this girl, please do. And my entire reason to come up and make this video in the middle of my work is to be one of those contributors. And I want everyone, if you are an Indian, if you are from Odisha, be it any, if you are an Indian, यार state वगैरह हर चीज़ छोड़ दो. If you are a human being, make sure you put forward your word through video, be it whatever channel you can help through. Please do. And I have high hopes from Odisha government, from government of India. They will give justice to Prakriti. I'm sure she will. And also a request, guys, please stop circulating her pictures everywhere. Doesn't, it's not a good thing to do, I feel. I mean, not that anything will change, but just a decency है ना, humanity के हिसाब से मଣିଷତ୍ୱ रक्षा କରିବା ପାଇଁ ତ ଆମେ କରିପାରିବା कि ତାଙ୍କ ଫଟୋ ସବୁଠି circulate न କରିବା ପାଇଁ. Yeah, I think with that I'll wrap it up. I really hope she gets justice and it's not something that you know goes like a trend and the guy is again roaming around alone causing the same thing, trying to become the next Kabir Singh or Ranveer Kapoor of Animal. It's just not cool. The justice has to come to her, and as I said, I have full trust. It's just that I hope the speed and because one thing I know for sure that the system is not lazy. If it would have been lazy, India's Got Latent wouldn't have put down and all these actions. They were very quick, extremely quick. तो lazy तो नहीं है हमारा system. तो कौन important एठी is कि जो भी जहाँ भी investigation अच्छी जहाँ भी actions नंबर अच्छी, it has to be taken very quickly and the usual system that is followed where 6-7 साल का टाइम लग रहा है एक बेचारे बच्ची को जस्टिस मिलने में, वो नहीं होना चाहिए. I hope and pray. I'll make sure that one prayer a day is going towards Prakriti's justice. Thank you, guys.